If you don't want to pay for GitHub Copilot license but still want to use AI for your code reviews, then I've got good news for you. LlamaPRreview is a new GitHub plugin that is completely free and you can install it in one click. It offers you automatic peer reviews with a full context analysis of your repo. It also supports multiple programming languages, so it doesn't matter if you write in Typescript or Python or anything else. And the coolest bit is that you can integrate it with your GitHub Actions and get insightful feedback early in your workflow. Currently, it's available for free, so don't miss the opportunity to use this great tool and enhance your code quality. So, how LlamaPRreview works? It is straightforward. You can install it in one click in the GitHub UI, and then it will ask you if you want to provide access to all your repos or select just some of them. Then it will start scanning your repos, and if you have any active PRs, we'll review them. It leaves a long, nicely structured comment. First, it will give a summary of the changes, and then it will get deeper into technical details. It finds edge cases, potential errors, and vulnerabilities, and then suggests a solution. It provides a risk assessment and tells you which issues must be fixed and which are more often nice to have for a good PR. To finalize, Llama will give you a list of action items to address and overall evaluation of your code. It is much more convenient than copying and pasting to ChatGPT, isn't it? The only thing I could wish is to have a few smaller comments next to the related code instead of one huge comment for everything. That would be easier to understand and address. Anyway, it helps you to save your time and time of your team and do something more interesting and fun instead of getting stuck in code review routine. Let me know if you already tried LlamaPRreview and how do you like it. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for updates on my channel.